Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Firefox tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to disable updates in Firefox. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Firefox, click on the three bars at the top right corner and select Settings. Now I stay in General and scroll down until I reach Firefox Updates. In addition to information on the current version, the update history and the option to update now, I also find the option to change the setting. To do this, I click on Check for updates but let you choose to install them. And here I click on Continue. And with that we already made the right settings. It should be said that not installing updates is a security risk. I would just like to say that the responsibility is yours. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.